बुलेटिन की शुरुआत करेंगे राहुल गांधी के उड़ीसा दौरे से, जिस पर लगातार न्यूज़ 18 की नजर बनी हुई है। जी हां, हम आपको बताएं कि आज राहुल गांधी अपने उड़ीसा के दौरे पर हैं। भुवनेश्वर में उन्होंने बड़े अवामी जलसे से खिताब किया है। क्या कुछ कहा है, आइए देखते हैं।
People living in his area, and according to Ayushman Bharat, 35 of them have been given insurance. Now, 35 out of 12,000 doesn't look to me like universal health care. Number one. Number two, you can't have an insurance scheme without hospitals that are actually able to provide the support and the cure that is required for that insurance scheme. So an insurance scheme isn't simply a card that you give to somebody and say, here is a card, and have some fun. Right. So you can't make these discussions, have these discussions where you say, yes, I am giving universal health care, and then to go to a hospital, somebody has to go 200 kilometers. That's not how it works. So if you're talking at the national level, I would put much more money than is currently being put into healthcare and education. And I would do that very, very aggressively. Because I completely agree with you, and this is a fact, that the single biggest cause of falling back into poverty is out-of-pocket expenses in healthcare. So it is actually a basic minimum that we have to provide our people. How much money has been put into Ayushman Bharat? You're talking about a national insurance scheme. A scheme that is supposed to transform hospitals, a scheme that is supposed to give insurance to the entire country. How much money has been put in?
Only 1.1% of GDP.
Okay. Now, let me give you a couple of directions on healthcare. In Rajasthan, we had a very successful scheme of providing free medicines to large parts of Rajasthan. It was very, very successful and a very interesting scheme. In a number of Congress states, we have tested out different types of insurance models. So those are the type of things we would be looking at. But you can't talk about healthcare and about education without putting money into that system. And frankly, the biggest crime that has been committed by Mr. Narendra Modi is he can give 30,000 crores to Mr. Anil Ambani in the Rafale contract. But he can't put that much, he can't put even 5% of that money into Ayushman Bharat.